Finally, on this module, we're going to create the DEM itself. That's when you download SRTM, you see the way it comes. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So after you've created your triangulated irregular network, the next thing you will do is you move from thin to raster. So once you move from thin to raster, it's going to become your DEM automatically. Alright, so you click on thin to raster, you search, and then you double click on it. Then you input your thin. I'm not going to bother about location, and then you click on OK. So watch what becomes of the result we're going to have. So here we have our raster, our DEM. So we could just easily go on properties and classify, and we could say OK, so that you will have a feel of what's happening there. So let's give it color, and we click on this. We say sort label, and we'll make it 3 decimal place or 4, anyone. So, and then we just add this little effect, this use heel shape effect, so that you see what we have. So I believe this represents the DEM you've been seeing, but this is more high resolution as the raster are smaller and it's kind of high. So this is how you can create your DEM model from your survey data. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this module. I will see you in module 10. Stay tuned.